What's up guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out the last Boks truck bed cargo box fitting all 2020 and newer JT Gladiators. Now this cargo box is a fantastic solution if you're someone who stores items in your bed often and hate when your stuff rolls around in the bed, annoying you when you drive and making it very difficult to access when you need to. Now this will keep everything in place and will be easy to reach and pull out for whatever you're storing, from groceries to toolboxes. Now I do want to note that last box does mention that a tonneau cover or truck cap is required to operate safely, so just keep that in mind when you're looking at this cargo box. This box will feature a simple concept to it, which I think is great because it's versatile and very accessible without being too bulky or too flashy. The cargo box will sit in the rearmost portion of the bed and secured to the side with the included anchors here and the tethers, and then once it's time to access your things, you pop the tailgate down, grab the handle at the front, and just pull it towards you. Now like I said, it's great for carrying things like groceries, messy boots, or tools that you want to store, or even hunting equipment, plants, oil, gas cans, really whatever you can fit and whatever you don't want sliding around the back. The box is also very lightweight at about 20 pounds, so moving it around or taking it out to clean is relatively easy, very easy actually, and it's non-permanent. So if you do need to take it out to haul larger items, you can definitely do so. This will consist of a high molecular weight polyethylene construction, and that sounds super technical, but it means it's just going to be a durable and flexible plastic material which will hold up to abuse from whatever you throw in the box. This will also be weather resistant and waterproof to protect your truck beds from any spills or messes, and feature deep channeling for those spills, making it very easy to contain, pop out, and clean when you need to. The surface of the box will also be skid resistant to resist any items from sliding around when they are in the box itself, and this will have a high back and sides, and the tailgate's going to be on the other side here where the handle is, so this is going to be a system that makes sure that your things are in one place and aren't rolling around your bed. Compared to other storage and bed organization, this is going to be very affordable at around $250. Now I think that with this no frill design, it really makes this unique and simple to use on a daily basis compared to other more permanent or in-depth systems that you may not need for your particular setup. This is also movable for that easy access, and this can be removed, which is not a feature that all options have, and even customers have rated this 5 stars, so you can tell that it is incredibly useful. The install here is effortless at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and should only take you about 5 minutes to get this thing strapped into your bed. Speaking of the install though, one of our customers has installed this on their JT and is going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to get this into yours. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Okay folks, we're here to install the last box in my 2023 Gladiator. As you can see here, it has some clasps on both sides, and inside the Gladiator they have the hooks. So you're gonna push the box in. I like to line it up with the bed, and then you're gonna put the clasps in on each side, making sure that they click in. Then you're gonna get up and you're gonna tighten them with this. All you do is pull tight, and that's how you install it.
So that will wrap it up for my review and the install of the last Boks truck bed cargo box fitting all 2020 and newer JT Gladiators. And remember, for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.